Welcome to this tutorial on solving linear equations using Mathcad 13. Today, we will tackle the equation 3x plus 5 equals 2. Enter the equation 3x plus 5 equals 2 into the worksheet. Now, highlight the equation and select the solve function from the toolbar. Make sure to specify that you want to solve for x. Mathcad. The solution to 3x plus 5 equals 2 is x equals minus 1. Always remember to save your work. You can revisit it anytime or share it with others. Thank you for watching this tutorial on solving linear equations using Mathcad 13. Stay tuned for more tutorials on using Mathcad for different mathematical problems.